Hi guys, my name is Isaac Obian. I'm a phytomedicine researcher and practitioner. I also happen to be the CEO for Maxo and Alex Herbal. Maxo and Alex Herbal is a registered Nigerian herbal company that is into treatment, training, and research. Our research is basically in the area of drug discovery lead. That is basically what we do. Now, this evening I'll be talking to you about a plant, a very interesting one. If you remember the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, when Jesus got thirsty on the cross, he asked them to give him water and they gave him something, vinegar. So today we are going to talk about a plant. The name of the plant is vinegar plant. I'll take a close look. It took me time to find this plant. This plant is very scarce in this part of the country. Bring the camera close. This is vinegar plant. This is vinegar plant. So we're going to talk briefly about vinegar plant. We're going to talk about vinegar plants. Vinegar plants. Yeah. Like I was saying, vinegar plant. Vinegar plant is a medicinal plant. Very medicinal, very, very useful. It has these characteristics, bitter taste. Wow. Has lots of health benefits. It's very bitter. Has lots of health benefits. Yes. Let's talk about the vinegar plant. The scientific name for vinegar plant is Trichostemma lanceolatum. Trichostemma lanceolatum. That's the scientific name for vinegar plant. A lot of people also call it camphor weed. Camphor weed. Now, vinegar plant is an annual flowering herb of the mint family. A lot of you would have heard about mint plant. Now, this plant is native to Western North America. Now, the common names for vinegar plant originated due to its foliage content of a volatile oil that has a strong vinegar odor. When I'm talking about foliage, I'm talking about the leaf. The leaf. The leaf contains a volatile oil that has a strong vinegar flavor or vinegar odor. Now, there are lots of bioactive compounds that are present in this plant that confer on it its healing property. I told you some time ago that bioactive compounds or secondary metabolites are present in plants are molecules that confer on these plants their healing properties. In vinegar plants, we have organic acids, a lot of them. We have polyphenols present in vinegar plant. We have melanodines present in vinegar plant. We also have tetramethyl pyrazine present also in vinegar plants. Now, what are the medicinal uses of vinegar plants? I know that is what a lot of people want to know. You want to know how useful vinegar plant is. Let's take a look again. Now, vinegar plant regulates blood sugar. That's number one. Vinegar plant is very useful for weight loss. Weight loss without side effects. A lot of people go on to take lots of drugs, they lose weight, and then they begin to have health challenges. If you want to lose weight and you don't want health challenges, this is the plant you should be looking for. High cholesterol. Vinegar plant is very useful for high cholesterol treatment. It has strong anti-cancer property. It has shown free radical scavenging potentials. It is useful for heart health. It has strong antimicrobial property. It also helps to decrease food allergy. There are some people that are allergic to nuts. If they take nuts, peanuts, cashew nuts, they begin to have itchy skin. They have rashes. Some people have allergies for maize. If they eat maize, they have bumps on their skin. They have patches on their skin. If you are battling with allergies, this is the plant that will solve your problem. So today we're going to talk about the mechanism of action of vinegar plants in weight loss treatment and in treatment of diabetes. We won't be able to take all of them. If you want to know more, you would have to come and watch a full video or a more comprehensive video, a longer video on our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is Herbal Medicine Tips and Tricks. Herbal Medicine Tips and Tricks. Now, how does vinegar plant work when you're using it for treatment of weight loss? I'll talk to you about method of preparation at the end of this a little explanation I'm going to make. Now, vinegar plant, bioactive compounds in vinegar plants, first, they inhibit enzymes that digest carbohydrates and fats. These are two things that are responsible for weight gain in most cases. That's one of the ways to solve the problem. They interfere with intestinal absorption of sugar and fat from the foods that you have eaten. So they interfere. So when you eat, you digest. As long as you don't get to absorb those foods that cause you to gain weight, you're able to experience weight loss without issues. So you just eat the fats and you pass it out. So vinegar plant does that. How does it work on diabetes? Now, the bioactive compounds that are present inside vinegar plants, this vinegar weed, they reduce inflammation of the pancreas. When they do that, they improve pancreatic function. And you know the pancreas is responsible for insulin production. They also reduce insulin resistance. Those are two ways that vinegar plant is able to tackle high blood sugar level. This plant is tested and is trusted. We would continue on my YouTube channel. Just join us on the YouTube channel, Herbal Medicine Tips and Tricks, and then you know more about the vinegar plant. I think we've had enough for one day. We have come to the end of this class. I hope you enjoyed this class on vinegar plants. Thank you very much. See you next time.